Hi, it's Tim here at Matchbox Custom Restos, and today this is a Hot Wheels 70 Dodge Power Wagon. What we're going to do today is I am going to go ahead and I'm going to just remove the tampo there. I'm going to get rid of these wheels that stick out like that. I'm just going to do a little bit of custom to this. This white is going to be black. The lights they have on here, I'm going to try to do something with them, detailing where they actually look right. I'm not sure if I'm going to get the job done, but the rest of the detailing will be done. I've taken this thing apart. So first thing I want to show you is the wheels. I'll pop these out of here, put them over here where they can be used on something else later. But these are the wheels. Got some Bridgestones. This is from the green light Bridgestone pack. So the axles are long enough but not long enough, if you kind of get what I'm saying. So I had already drilled down through these, this way the axles would fit. So I'm going to see if I can just pop them right back in there and not have to take them apart again. There's one side. Oops. And it popped right out. Slide it in. Then do the same thing with the back. And that's the wheels. No matter what, they would sit in there and be able to be held in because of the bottoms of this. That whole white interior is just, it's ugly to me. I've had a lot of old Dodge trucks and I don't remember any of them having white interiors. Black, gray, blue, red, but that's what it'll look like with the wheels on it. So let's get to the next step here. Let's see about getting this off the door. I wish they would just put that there and put the Hot Wheels logo, what they're doing here on this. This came off of a 5-pack set that I just happened to find at Walmart. So I went ahead and went for it. There was a Dodge van that went along with it, and things happened. I thought the Dodge van was going to be a cool little thing, and chrome, but plastic body and die-cast interior, or die-cast bottom. Didn't think it was going to be like that. And it turns out, sometimes you could be wrong. Once again, this is how I take the tampos off. This is with Mother's mag and aluminum polish. Get it at any auto parts store. I think Walmart, but I think I picked up that at, it was either O'Reilly's or AutoZone. Just go where they have all their products for waxing and stuff, and you'll be able to get it, or you can ask somebody up at the counter and they'll help you on where it's at. Well, let me do this, remove this real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's finish up on this Dodge. I got the tampo off the door. I painted the interior. I put some gloss onto the back here, so this way it would actually match with the truck. I did the roll bar lights. I detailed the grill. tail lights are done. Everything was done, you know, the chrome behind the lights and stuff was done with this. The original, right up here, these lights that are stuck here in the middle of the grill, had some scratches straight from the factory, so it got this Maltol liquid chrome pin done to it. And then, of course, anything needs to be touched up or anything, the turn signals, the stop, the tail lights, and some flat black was used. So let's get this thing together so this way you guys can see what it looks like. And it's pretty simple. It just slaps right back together real easy. I did detail the door handles too. I got a frog in my throat again, sorry guys. There it is. Is that nice or what? The big goofy wheels are off of it. It's not a stock look, but it's not big gaudy wheels or anything. Now it looks like a Dodge Power Wagon. Doesn't have a number on there. It's too bad it doesn't say Dodge over here. But you know what? That's perfectly fine. This is one of my shelf, that's going to go on my shelf. See how well the back now matches? It's not white. The interior is not white. Just kind of gives you that black on black look. Back of it looks great. Everything is done. Look at that grill. That looks right. So anyways, I'm going to stop the video right here, and hope you guys liked it. And if you liked it, please hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, it will help me a lot on this channel if you would go ahead and subscribe. It doesn't cost nothing. Just hit the subscribe button, and it'll help my channel a lot. And share it. You know, let others see this, see what I can do here and what these trucks can look like. And always remember, you can do this too. This is not something that just you got to have a big talent for, and if you don't ever try, you'll never know if you can do it anyways. So get out there. These cars are only $1 something at Walmart or wherever, dollar store, whatever. Go buy one. Get yourself some paints. Get yourself, you know, ready to go. Put these things together. See how well you like to do it. And I'll tell you what, guys, I will catch you guys on the next video, and thank you. I appreciate every one of you guys that have watched these videos and subscribed and liked. Thanks.